out the purple, no beverage, and hop out the touch. She shot cause my vibe is electric.
Don't you keep that back door open, or you're pulling toward it. Don't you keep that back door open, they're just stick and blow it. You better be for certain your homie really your homie. They get mad when you happy, you gotta watch who you smoke with. When you got good intentions, they try to tell you they ain't.